Hi, I'm Donica with the Sadberry team. Today we want to show you around this 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath, 1,922 square foot home located in Gold Canyon, Arizona. But before we do that, I want to tell you about this amazing community. This gated community is called Vista Point. Right down the street is the community pool and spa. Behind us are the Superstition Mountains, home of the legendary lost Dutchman mine. And this home is loaded with views of this iconic Arizona mountain. And Gold Canyon Golf Resort is right across the street. The resort has 2 full courses, Dinosaur Mountain and Sidewinder. Dinosaur Mountain is considered one of the best public courses in Arizona. It's known for dramatic elevation changes. Sidewinder is a more traditional course with flatter elevations, and it's a little easier to play. Either way, if you're a golfer, this is paradise. Before we go into this home, I would love for you to see this foothill that's basically right outside your front door. Imagine taking a walk up that and seeing the entire Phoenix Valley. Okay, let's take a look inside.
I love this great room. We've got LVP flooring in here, large windows, lets a lot of natural light in, and it feels really nice, very open. Love this kitchen. It's got a lot of cabinet space in here, a nice glass top range. And as I said before, we're close to the Superstition Mountain, and there it is. What a view, right over your kitchen sink. What a great place to sit and have breakfast in the mornings, looking out this window at the sunrise. Imagine having coffee out here, reading a book, just relaxing. Here's the laundry room, and this comes with the washer and dryer right on the main floor here. I love that. And then the primary, we're gonna go in here, right on the main floor. This is a great primary bedroom here. We've got a lot of natural light, and I love this walk-in closet. You got a lot of space in there. And once again, you can't get enough of this view. And here we have the primary bathroom. This has a dual marble sink, a marble tub, and a walk-in shower. Okay, now let's go take a look at the upstairs. Here we are in the loft. I love this loft. All these windows allow a lot of the natural light in, and it allows for more of that great view. Here we can overlook the rest of the house. You can imagine setting up a little desk for homework, working, reading a book. It's just a great space. And down this way we have a full bath and 3 bedrooms. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tour. If this home is speaking to you, reach out. Our contact information is below. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.